Hi guys, welcome back. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Didn't expect that. I got a package from Markets of Sunshine. I ordered Marsha's June Embellishment Kit, and I have not looked at it yet, but what I saw on her video that she made of it and the pictures that she showed in her Facebook group, I just had to get the June kit. And she has two colors. She has the beige kit. I want to say she called it a different color, but it's the beige color and a blue color. And I ended up getting both. So I did the May kit. I ordered her May kit, which was her very first kit, and I did a video of that. So go take a look at that video. Um, she doesn't have the May kit anymore, obviously. Each month it's a new month and a new kit. But you can see the kind of things that she's putting into her kits. And I think the May, I said, was a great kit for a beginner. To buy that kit, they're only $5. And, you know, she puts so much in there to boost up what you know, may not have in your stash. So let's look at this June kit. This June, and I haven't, all I did was open it. I haven't looked in it. This June kit has her daughter's artwork in it, and everything that I've seen of her daughter's on her videos, I have loved. It's tan. She's calling it tan. I have loved, and I haven't purchased any of it yet. So this, I will get to see her daughter's artwork in person, which will probably make me order the digitals. So here's a little note that she put on the front. I just love that bird and that rose. And her daughter drew this stuff. Cute note from Marsha. So let's dig in here. And I love when people wrap it in plastic, because those packages sometimes open up with the way the mail carrier or the machine takes care of them. So let's see what's in here. I got both kits, so it's a mixture. So this is a pocket, it looks like. And it's got the printed piece and the vellum piece that matches. And yeah, I love using vellum. I use vellum like all the time. And this is awesome because you glue it in on your page on 3 sides and you got 2 pockets. That's pretty. I just love, look at that. Her daughter drew that. Look at those colors. I don't know what her daughter does for a living, but I don't think it's artwork, and it needs to be. So here's another one from the tan kit, and look at that bird and those roses. Oh my gosh. I think she had a 50% off sale and I missed it, and I could have got all the digitals and I didn't think of it. And I think she mentioned it in a video. I was making a journal and had her video on in the background. And I'm pretty sure she mentioned that she had 50% off not too long ago. And I could have got her digital kit for 50 cents instead of $1, because I think I'm going to have to go buy them. So let's see what we have here. Look, a vellum piece and a paper piece. I might be using all of this in a personal journal. I just love it. And I think she laminated, I know she laminated some pieces. This feels laminated. So I think it's this. That's so nice, but not the back so that you can write. Look how pretty these pieces are. And then she threw in the extra cutoff. So, oh, here's a hidden paper clip. Wow. I love your cluster. And we left the butterfly so we can see it. That's pretty. And here's the back side. Yeah, that cluster is really pretty. I love the Be Free note. And the fabric and the lace, or both laces. I just love that. And then here's a hidden pocket, or a hidden paper clip for the blue kit. And here's the back side. That's pretty. You know, I like the button on here. I think I'm going to add a button on this one. And am I showing you guys this? Is it focusing in? Let me show you this one, just in case you didn't see it. So yeah, for $5. And if you are in her club, you get a 50% off. So it's basically buy one, get one. So here are some pieces. Here's a matching vellum. These are going to be pretty to make clusters out of. I just love, and the vellum matches that flower one there. It's the same. I just love these. They're so nice. They're going to make great clusters. And then here's some round ones, and I think these are 3/4 of an inch. So here's vellum, and it matches this flower. Yeah, these are great cluster pieces. And then here's the butterfly, and it matches the butterfly. And then these dangles, I love. Now, these are made out of wood. And I love that you got ball pins and colors. I'm assuming you got them from BB Crafts. Is that their name? Did you get them from there? Or from that other place that everyone goes to? I went once. It took forever for the stuff to get here. I can't think of the name. Where everything's cheap. It's from China and it takes forever to get here. You guys know what I'm talking about. I think Marsha probably got these from BB Crafts. But I could be wrong. But I love that there's color. I don't have colored ones. I love the white with the blue seed beads on it. And this piece, it's a flower with a butterfly. In case you can't see it, it's very sparkly. And here's the other one. Again, flower with the butterfly. And this is the brown one, the tan. And I love that you use this bulb pin because it matches it great. And it was open, and I see a seed bead. So you guys need to go check out Markets of Sunshine, and I will put the link down below. And go get yourself a June kit, because who couldn't use these colors for one? And these dangles are awesome. All of it is. So there you go. I'll put the links down below for Markets of Sunshine Etsy shop. where you can get the kit for $5 each. And I have two kits here, the tan one and the blue one. And then you can go to her Facebook group, Markets or Junk Journal Junction, and you know, show what you got, show what you make with it. But it's a great group, so go check it out. And as far as her Etsy shop, she also has a blog. So go sign up for her blog, and then you'll get a percentage off. I want to say it's 20, but don't hold me to that. But go sign up for her blog, and I'm pretty positive she sends out a coupon to use on her Etsy store. And she has two different Etsy shops. She has Markets of Sunshine, which sells the junk journal stuff. And then she has another one, and I can never think of the name of it, where she sells vintage items, all kinds of things, from glass to fabric to whatever. And her fabrics are awesome, and she also does videos of the fabrics so that you can see them in her YouTube video. So check her out on YouTube as well, Markets of Sunshine. So I will link everything below. Thanks for checking this out with me. I want to thank all my subscribers, both my new ones and the ones that are hanging in with me. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate any comments and all comments that you have for me. Try to get this little channel growing. And I just finished a journal that is drying, so it's almost finished, that I will be doing a video on, and it is a journal for a trade. Somebody requested a journal swap with me, so I am so in love with this journal that I made that I'm making a little mini one for me, a quick little mini one that I'm working on now that I finished the journal for the swap. So anyway, so look for that video because it's an awesome journal. You're gonna love it. So talk to you later. Thanks, guys.